Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're at the storage unit, and you know, we got 2 months on there, and they gave us a really good deal on those 2 months, half off on those 2 months. But we also renting this U-Haul. That way we can move, you know, everything that's going to go into storage right now into storage, and what's left is going to go ahead and head to the new place. So, you know, it's a lot easier process, you know, because right now it's just a waiting game until the 28th, you know, to move in. So we're going to do what we can while we can, you know, to make everything, the process a whole lot easier, you know, on us. I'll see you in a little bit, and once they get out, I'll start recording and we'll start this video. Alright guys, so we got the van. So there's a few things we got to do, which get the mileage.
Sorry, did you look around?
No, I haven't looked around yet. So we got to get the mileage, how much gas is inside, and then we'll do a walk around of, you know, if there's any scratches or anything going on. But I've driven Rens before, but usually it's just a few feet because, you know, work. But I've never driven a van, but I think it should be interesting. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then do the walk around. Hang on, let's go see. You got the key?
No.
Alright, so let's go ahead. Here's the key. So it's at full. The mileage is 5,311. That's it. Wow. But anyway, we're actually going to leave it here and head to HEB and the SRT. You got to do things. I don't want to drive it too much, you know, because after at some point, you know, they charge by how much miles you go, you know, like 65 cents or something. So, I'm gonna do a walk around. Looks good. I don't really see anything wrong with it. I mean, it's dirty, but I might just take it to work and see if I can get it washed. This part's a little dented here. Hey, you see this part here? There's some scratches here. You can't really see them. I don't know if you see that, and then this dent here. Unless it's designed that way, but I don't think so. Looks like it's doing a little cracking here. It moves a little bit. But I mean, you know, a little scrape there. Overall, I mean, for a car that doesn't really have many miles on it, it's something else. But going to go ahead and jump in the SRT and then head to HB, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so real quick, they actually were so nice, you know, with the whole discounting and everything. They actually threw this dolly in for free, you know, so, you know, which was going to help because we got to throw a washer and dryer out. So we'll go ahead and throw that in the van. Trying to use one hand here. So, yeah. Alright, so see you in a little bit. Quick, we're grabbing something to eat. I got Taco Bell. And she is about to get Chinese. You know, it's been a while. I'm not a real big Chinese fan, but I do have my moments. It's not often, but good. You know. Alright, so what I got was a soft taco, a bean and cheese burrito, and their nachos. I've never really had the soft taco. I actually do like it, so I'll probably get that a little more often. Burritos I've always had, love them. The nachos I love, especially when they bring out those real big nachos. It's what was it?
They have them right now.
The XL large something nacho.
But these are perfect ones, right?
But yeah. Anyway, I will go ahead and see y'all there to get the van, go back to the house, put everything that's gonna go into the storage unit, and anyway, everything that's gonna go into the storage unit and put up before we move. That way the whole process of moving is a lot easier, and what we got to work with and what exactly it's gonna go to the new place. So see you in a little. Alright guys, so we are driving. I'm in the U-Haul. I am following her home. We'll get home, probably finish eating, and then start packing, and we'll get back into the video. Guys, so we're back home. The U-Haul's behind me, as you can see. We're gonna go ahead and finish eating, and then we'll go ahead and get this packing going, and then you load up and head to this unit, storage unit, and pack it up. Alright guys, so this is everything that's going to be going to the new place. All this stuff here, the shelf, and all the stuff on the shelf besides the weight stuff is going to go to the storage unit we just got. And that stuff and everything in our closet, it's pretty much going to go in storage, because that's pretty much what the closet was storage stuff. All this stuff, fish tanks and stuff like that. I'm not sure about that big giant, I wouldn't say giant, good size dog kennel, but all that's going to go to a new place. But anyway, I'm going to just finish eating. I'm going to go ahead and start loading up, and we'll get back to you. Hey guys, so as you can see, everything's loaded up. And I will see y'all at the storage unit to load it up. Alright, so here's the unit. It's actually really tall. Wideness is not too bad. It should be enough room for what we're doing, what we're putting in it. So yeah. All this crap. But we still got a dresser and 2 nightstands to get, and then that should be all of it. See y'all in a little bit, and I'll show you an after. Alright family, so I'm about to wash the van just because they were so sweet and so nice with all the discounts they gave us. Free dolly, everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it's washed and cleaned up and protected with the wax, and we'll be right back, and I'll see you at the storage unit. Alright family, so just got back to the storage unit. About to unload the rest of the stuff, as you can see behind me. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around, or just probably see y'all after I'm done, and then we'll take your place there. Alright, so that's all I have left. I stopped at the wash. She's all cleaned up. Y'all should know me. That's what I do for a living. I drive and I wash cars. So I know they'll be happy with it now that it's clean. Hope y'all enjoy the video. So before we go, real quick, here's the unit now. And it happened to fit, and I still got some room. So if I need to put anything else in here, I can do that. So good amount of room left. Really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Once I move, I will be doing mods and stuff to the car and whatever toys we decide to get on next for the channel. So hope y'all enjoyed. Turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs like, share with a friend. Until next video.